So first, whenever we start our game, a voice command will be sent to the monitor saying that the game has started. So when we start the game, we will first have to set the speed. We have three speed mode: fast, slow, and medium. So fast is represented by F, slow is by S, and M represents medium. So whenever this character is sent to the Arduino will respond by setting the delay time. So if it's fast, the delay time will be 3 seconds. If it's slow, the delay time will be 6 seconds, and if it's medium, the delay time will be 4 seconds. So basically, it will start running. Afterwards, we will generate randomly these three letters, which are G for green, R for red, and B for blue. So whenever one of the letters is, so the Java program will generate randomly the letters and will send them to the Arduino. The Arduino will randomly generate the colors of these LEDs. So the player will accordingly have to tap a specific number of times. So if the color is red, he will have to tap one time. If it's blue, he will have to tap twice. If it's green, 3 times. So the game will operate as follows. Whenever the accelerometer moves, it will count. We will have a function in the Arduino over here. So whenever data is received from the Arduino, it will be compared in this compare function. So basically, this compare function will do like many things. It will compare the score. First, it will read the score, and it will read the code sent by the Arduino. So if it's 0 then it's for player 1, and that means that player 1 made a mistake. If it's 128, then it's player 2, and player 2 made a mistake. If it's 1, then it's for player 1, and player 1 got it right. After the 1, it will have to read the second line, which will show the time of player 1. Afterwards, it will compare player 2, if he did it right or wrong, and so on. So on. It's a whole algorithm that is being used over here. Basically, we'll have to check each cases together. We'll have I think 6 cases. So basically, it will check each case. So if 1 is right, 2 is wrong, 1 is wrong, 2 is wrong. 1 is right, 2 is wrong. Like it depends. It will check all the cases, and we'll send comments to the player class. So each player will have its own class. It's basically a template. So it's a template pattern. So the players are both in the player templates, and each one will have like a decrement and increment score, and etc. So the code will be like explained in the report. Basically, what will happen? So each time a player scores, we will have a sound in the coming from the program, and we will display that the player has scored and that the other player got points deducted from his score. Each time we will have the score incremented or decremented depending, and we will have the overall score. So the game will stop whenever one of the player reaches 20 points, and it will send a sound saying that one of the player won and that the game is over.
Game started. 2 scored.